Hi, my name is Officer Warren, and I'm going to introduce you to my neighborhood, which is going outside my yard and back there. And so I'm going to show you around my property and outside my property. And I will introduce you to Joven.
Hi guys, my name is Joven. I hope you guys please like and subscribe to our channel.
So I'm going to show, I think you guys are asking, why do I have this? Well, actually, I have sirens. I'll show you all the sirens I have on it. Bad guy. Where's that coming from? Because if someone was driving, that would be speeding. Where's that coming from? I gotta check that out. And I mostly get sound from over there.
Art, come here. Art! Warren, the dog! Jesus. Art, come here. Art. Art! Warren, come back. Art!
Article!